Well, let's discuss this further with legal expert UFELI. Thank you very much for your time, sir. Now, is it appropriate for the NLC President, Joe Ajaero, to reject invitation by the police asking for details of the invitation or allegations before appearing?
He has not rejected the invitation. He's asking for time and he's asking for details. Okay? He has not said he's not going to honor the invitation. Of course, the police served the invitation just 24 hours ago. And I've asked him to report immediately. And he said he wants to consult with his lawyer. And also he will need to know the details of the investigation of the invite. Okay? There is no offense whatsoever committed. I want to know the details. I'm speaking to my lawyers. I need time. Does not amount to resisting arrest. Does not amount to rejecting an invitation served on him. Okay? There's no way in this conversation he has said he's not going to honor the invitation. And there's no way in this conversation that he has discarded the invitation extended to him that will warrant the police to take any further action. But that he has asked for time. And he had also said he was consulting with his lawyer. Even in court, if you look at Section 35 of the 1999 Constitution, it says the defendant must be given adequate time and facility to prepare for his defense. I know he has not been charged to court yet. I know it's just an invitation to come to the police station to answer questions. But in the spirit and letters of the law and the human rights, adequate time and facility to do so is not too much to ask for. And it's not yet a legal infraction by our laws.
Right, so the police has now said it would get a warrant to arrest Ajaero if he refuses to appear for questioning. Now, wouldn't that make matters even worse?
No, it is the right of police. If you are invited and you fail to honor the invitation. He hasn't failed to honor the invitation yet. At this time, we cannot judge him so. But assuming but not conceding that he eventually refused to appear before the police have an alternative means to get him, and that is to, get a warrant, an arrest warrant, for which they can go and bring him from wherever he is. You understand? The police know, they know what to do. The issue on that reference is an allegation. Terrorism financing and the rest of that. It's an allegation. This allegation, the police have to prove them beyond reasonable doubt. Okay? And whoever is prosecuting must prove that beyond reasonable doubt. So we've not gotten to the stage. He has not been arrested. He's only been invited. So the police can as well wait. He's a Nigerian. His rights are protected under the Constitution. He didn't say he will not turn up. It is only when he fails to turn up that the police can now go after him, procure a warrant of arrest, and then get him arrested and charge him accordingly. But the police must also be prepared to substantiate those charges with evidence. That's the only way they can stop. But the NLC, they are saying that if the police apply force, they will be on a red alert, and they will make sure that they go on strike to air their grievances against their union leader.
All right, hopefully he appears in record time. Legal expert UFELI, thank you very much for sharing your insights.